Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your very own custom stickers using Cricut and you want a super easy way to design them right inside Canva, you've landed in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to go from a blank Canva page to print-ready stickers perfectly set up for Cricut Design Space. Let's dive right in and create something awesome together. Okay, first things first, you're going to start inside Canva. Log in and open up a new design, maybe set to a standard size like A4 or letter for easy printing later. Now head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all sorts of shapes and graphics. Search for a basic shape, let's pick a rectangle, but you could choose a circle or any shape that fits your brand or vibe. Click to add it to your canvas. Once the shape is on your page, let's adjust it. Drag the corners or the edges to resize. For a classic sticker look, I recommend making it more of a rounded rectangle. You want enough space to show off your logo or design, but not so big that you can only fit a couple per page. Think of this as designing the frame for your mini artwork. Next, let's make your sticker pop by changing the color. With your shape selected, click on the color tool, often found up on the top menu. Instead of a single solid color, try a gradient for a modern, eye-catching effect. Gradients can add depth and make your stickers look professionally designed, even if you're totally new to this. Now for the fun part, adding your logo or whatever artwork you want featured. There are two main ways to do this. If your logo is already uploaded to Canva, just click on the Uploads tab, find your file, and drag it onto your sticker shape. Position and resize until it looks just right. If not, Canva has tons of built-in graphics in the Elements section under Graphics, so you can search for something that fits your theme, whether it's cute icons, beautiful illustrations, or anything your heart desires. Great, so you've got one sticker looking perfect, but you probably want to make a whole sheet. Here's a pro tip. Instead of starting over every time, simply select your finished sticker, copy it Ctrl+C or Command+C, and paste it as many times as you can fit onto your page. Space them out a little so that your Cricut has room to cut around each sticker. Think of it a bit like making cookies. Arrange them just right so each one has enough space to bake without sticking together. Now with your sheet of stickers designed, it's time to export. Up in the top right, click on Share, then Download. Choose the PNG file type. Here's an important detail, make sure you check the box for transparent background. This ensures that only your sticker shapes and designs will be printed and cut, not a big white box around them. It's a small checkbox, but it makes a huge difference, so don't skip it. Click Download, and in just a few seconds you'll have a file that's ready to go. Now to actually cut your stickers, head over to Cricut.com and open Cricut Design Space. This platform lets you upload the PNG you just made and set it up for cutting. Cricut has tons of other features, from shopping materials to finding design inspiration, but for now just focus on uploading your sticker sheet and following the prompts to print and cut. That's it, you've just designed, exported, and set up your own custom stickers from scratch using Canva and Cricut. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a step in your creative journey. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.